Welcome to Rollerball, a fun rolling game for ages 5 to 11. We hope you enjoy. In this game you will need a variety of balls, you will need a couple of benches or something to use as a target, and some cones for your playing area. Start by splitting your playing area into two halves. Then split your class into two teams. Then each team will get a couple of balls to start the game, and the aim of the game is for a player to collect the ball and roll it across the other team's side, and they need to try and either hit a back wall or across the back line at the other team's side. So go all the way across, and if it goes across they score a point for their team. Now, depending on the balls that you're using and the age of the students, I would suggest you might want to include a rule that the ball must bounce at least 2 or 3 times so that they ensure that they're rolling it or doing an underarm action. In round number 2, I would add in a bench on each of the team's side, and then that acts as another target for the teams to aim for. Now you could increase the points, so if they score against the bench it could be 2 points for the bench or 5 points for the bench and 1 point for the back line, and it just adds in another element. So they would roll it across, someone would guard it, and if they hit the bench they would get more points for that. But again, you can get creative in each round, add in something else to make it a little bit more challenging and more exciting. There are lots of adaptations to this game, so get creative. We hope you enjoy, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.